Hi guys, you're welcome once more to NPH. If you are new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Alright, so today we have a simple problem here on the board on what matrix. Alright, so we are going to actually apply, okay, our solution. We are going to apply, okay, Cramer's rule. Okay, in Cramer's rule, what you do, the first you want to do is you want to put your sign. So we have plus here, minus here, and what plus here. All right. So this is plus minus 1. Okay. So plus minus 1 simply means what? It also means what? Minus 1. Okay. Now that we have this as plus minus 1, the next thing is, if you cover this and also cover this, what are you having left? You'll be having this part what left. Okay. So if we cover this and this, since we're dealing with this, we want to cover this, okay, vertically and what? Horizontally. So we'll be having all this what left. So you want to bring the determinant from this. So we have 1, 2, so I have 1, 2, okay, minus 1 and what? 1 here. Okay. So now we are going to look at the next one. Okay. The next one we have is what? Minus minus 1. Minus minus 1 simply means what? Minus times minus is plus. Okay. So we have plus 1. Okay. Now I want to also check for the determinant. Since we are dealing with what? This. Okay. We want to cover this way and also cover what? Vertical. So when you cover this way and cover this way, all you're going to be seeing is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I want to put that here. So I have 3, 1. Okay. 3, 1 and minus 1 and what? 1. Okay. Finally, we have one more to work on, which is plus minus what? 1. Okay. So plus times minus is what? Is the minus. So minus 1. Okay. Now let's see what follows. Okay. Now if we cover this vertically and this horizontally, what are we going to see? We are going to see all this. Okay. When we cover this way and this way, we are left with this. So I'm simply going to put that here. So we have 3, 1. Okay. And 1, 2. Okay. So this is Cramer's method of solving what? The determinant of a matrix. Because this question, whenever you see lines like this, it means you have to what? Find the determinant of this. Okay, which is a 3 by 3 matrix, 3 rows and 3 columns. Right now that we've gotten this expression, we can now solve further. So you can bring in your signs again. So I have this as plus, minus, you always start with plus, minus, like you start with plus, minus, then plus, minus, just like that. So here we have plus and this is minus, this is plus and this is minus. Okay, now we are still going to do the same. So I have this as this is minus 1, all right? Okay, so what about this? This is going to multiply this to make it easier. So you multiply this way. So we have plus 1, okay, which is the 1 multiplied by 1, okay? So you have minus times what? Minus. Minus times minus is going to give us what? Plus, okay? And we have 2 times 1. So 2 times 1, okay? Now here we have plus 1. Okay, this is plus 3. So we are coming this way to multiply. So we have plus 3 still means 3. So 3 times 1. Okay, now minus times minus is what? Plus. So 1 times 1 is going to give us 1 times 1, which is 1. So we have minus 1. And finally, okay, plus 3 also means 3. So we are moving this way. So we have 3 times what? 2. Okay, then this is minus what? 1 times what? 1. Okay. So whenever you are doing determinant, you want to multiply this way, then you multiply this way. You multiply this way first before you multiply this way. You multiply this way before you multiply this way. Okay. And you also have to take note of the signs. All right. So let's see what this gives us. So this is minus 1. So 1 times 1 is what? 1 plus 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, so we have plus 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 times 1 is 1 minus 1. 3 times 2 is 6 minus what? 1 times 1 is 1. All right. So now that we have this, we can now solve further. So I have minus 1. 1 plus 2 is what? 3. So we have minus 1 times 3. So this is plus 1. 3 plus 1 is what? 4. So we have plus 1 times 4. We have minus 1. 6 minus 1 is what? 5. So all we need to do to get our answer to this question is to what? Solve this what? Expression. All right, so let's solve that expression and see what that gives us. Okay. So we have minus 1 times 3. So our minus 1 times 3 is going to give us what? Minus 3. So we have this is plus 1 times what? 4. So that will give us plus what? 4. So we have minus 1 times 5. That will give us minus what? 5. Now we can now solve this expression. Okay. So we have minus 3 plus 4. What would that give us? I want to pick this sign, okay, because 4 is greater than 3, so we'll pick plus. Now, since these signs are not the same, we are going to subtract. That's the rule. So we have 4 minus 3. We have our minus 5 here, okay. So we have this as plus. 4 minus 3 is 1, okay, and we have minus what? 5. Now I want to pick sign. This number is greater, so we are going to pick minus. Okay, these two signs are not the same, so we are going to subtract these two numbers inside the brackets. All right, so we have this as minus 5 minus 1 is what? 4. So the answer to this is what? Minus 4. That gives us the solution to this according to Cramer's what? Rule. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and share the link of the channel to some student out there that needs to work on what matrix. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.